This is my first attempt at using the Litchi first-person view in VR. I look down, and there I am. And you'll see that, yeah, I look left, I look right. If I look down again, it tilts down, and I look up, the gimbal tilts up. I can shut up. It really isn't too exciting. I mean, it's great when you're wearing the headset, but to watch somebody wearing a headset isn't very exciting. You can do no head tracking, where all the head movements do, like all that they do is tilt the gimbal up and down, which is what this is. You can put it in an immersive mode so that you look left, the drone turns left, you look right, the drone turns right, which was all great. I tried that, except that when you look away from yourself, you're flying away, everything's good. But when you try to fly back to yourself, you have to turn your back on the drone, which means that your controller is no longer receiving signal clearly, because it has to go through your body to get to the drone. It's okay if you're close. I wasn't flying more than 100 meters here, so I wasn't really having any problems. But yeah, this footage is all from just straight no head tracking mode, which it just tilt down, tilts your gimbal down, tilt up, tilts your gimbal up. So what you see is what I was looking at with the headset on. But it filled the complete frame, so you're like immersed in it, and it's like, I'm this flying thing. Oh, look at that crazy guy waving at me. It is fairly surreal. My screen, as most screens, phone screens nowadays, are pretty high definition. The footage you get in front of your eyes, I believe, is 720p. Could be wrong on that. But you know, when they're right, when this image is like right in front of you, I believe it was better than anything I used to get with my Gear VR. And this is just using a like $25 headset from the mall. Nothing special. It fits my phone wonderfully. It has a little Google Cardboard tap button built into it, as well as media controls, which is nice if you want to use it for other things other than flying your drone. I believe it's the Miniso. It is it's a lot of fun. You know, for 25 bucks, there's a lot of videos that you can watch on YouTube or around the web, or using the Cardboard app. And there, my video's over. I landed. Thanks.